Hello students, so today we are going to solve our exercise 3.6. So first question we have, find the HCF of the following numbers. A part is 18 and 48 and G part is 70, 105 and 175. So I am doing these two parts from this question number 1 and rest you can do by yourself by following same procedure. So let's start with 18 and 48. So we need to find HCF for 18 and 48. Now for this we have to prime factorize these two numbers. So first 18, okay, so start with 2 because it is an even number, so 2 can divide 18, so 2 9s are 18. After that prime number 2 cannot divide 9, so we will start from 3, so 3 3s are 9. Now we have 3 here, so again 3 1s are 3. So now we have prime factors of 18 as 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, now for 48 start with 2 because it is an even number, so 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Now again with 2 it is an even number, so 2 12s are 24. Again with 2 2 6s are 12. Again it will divide with 2, so 2 3s are 6. Now it is 3 we have, so 3 will divide it by only 3, so 3 1s are 3. Okay, so prime factor of 48 we have 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, now HCF we need to find out. So HCF is highest common factor. That means we need to take the common factors and we can find the HCF. So HCF is, what are the common factors? 2 here and 3 and 3 here. Rest of the factor will be remaining, so we will not consider these factors, only take common factors. So 2 and next we have 3. So 2 and 3 are common factors, so 2 into 3 is 6. That means HCF of 18 and 48 is 6. Okay, similarly we need to find the HCF for 70, 105 and 175. So start with 70. Okay, so 70 के फैक्टर हम करेंगे. Start with 2, it is an even number, 35 2s are 70, and since it is 35, next factor prime number we have 3. 3 cannot divide 35 because 5 plus 3 is 8 and 3 cannot divide 8, so it will not divide 35, so we will go for 5. So 5 can divide it because at the unit place we have 5, so take 5. 5 7s are 35. Okay, now we have 7, only 7 can divide it, so 7 1s are 7. So factors of 70 are 2 into 5 into 7. Now we can go for the factor of 105. So 105 we have. Now start with 3 because it is an odd number and 2 cannot divide this, so we will check for 3. So 5 plus 0 plus 1 we have 6. So 6 can be divisible by 3, so 3 3s are 9. 1 remaining है तो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 15. So 3 5s are 15. Okay, now we have 35. So 35 is not divisible by 3, so we will take 5. 5 7s are 35. Now we have 7, so 7 1s are 7. Okay, so we have prime factors for 105 is 3 into 5 into 7. Okay, and next we have 175. So factorize 175. So let's check with 3. 5 plus 7 is 12 plus 1 13. 13 is not divisible by 3, so we'll start with 5. So 5 3s are 15. 2 हमारे पास रिमाइंडर बच गया है तो 2 को हम यहाँ पर लगाएंगे, सो 25 आ जाएगा. सो 5 5 ज़ा 25. ओके, और यू कैन सिंपली डिवाइड इट एज यू डू. अब हमारे पास 35 है, सो अगेन 5 7 ज़ा 35. नाउ वी हैव 7, सो 7 1 ज़ा 7. So prime factors for 175 are 5 into 5 into 7. That means we have 70 as 2 into 5 into 7, 105 as 3 into 5 into 7, and 175 as 5 into 5 into 7. Now check the common factors. So we have here 105 and 175, we don't have 2, so start with 5. We have 5 here and 5 here, so write HCF as 5. Now check for 7, so we have 7 here, 7 here and 7 here, so multiply with 7. 5 into 7 is 35. That means HCF of 70, 105 and 175 is 35. Okay, so this is how you find out HCF of given numbers. Okay, now let's move towards question number 2. Question 2, we have what is the HCF of two consecutive, first part is number, two consecutive even number and two consecutive odd numbers. So the HCF of two consecutive numbers, take any numbers. Okay, A part we are doing here, take any numbers. I'm taking 8, consecutive बोला है 9. Okay, so 8 और 9 के HCF find out करते हैं. So factors for 8 are 2 4s are 8, again by 2, 2 2s are 4, now 2 1s are 2. So factor of 8 we have 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, now 9. So start with 3, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So 9 के फैक्टर हमारे पास आ जाएंगे 3 into 3. Okay, now we can see that there is no common factors, so we can multiply it by 1 and 1 because 1 is the factor for every number. Okay, वैसे भी हमारे पास यहाँ पर एक तो रिमेनिंग है ही, राइट. दैट मीन्स 1 is the common factor in these consecutive number. That means the HCF of two consecutive numbers is 1. Okay, we have 1 as a common, so HCF here 1. That means HCF of two consecutive number is 1. Now HCF of two consecutive even numbers. So let's take two consecutive even numbers. Okay, that means let's take 14 and 16. Okay, these are two consecutive even numbers. So find the factors. 14, 2 7s are 14 and 7 1s are 7. 16 के factors हमारे पास आ जाएंगे 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Okay, that means 14 के जो factors हमारे पास आए हैं 2 into 7 and 16 के factors आए हैं that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so common we have 2's here, so HCF is 2. That means HCF of two consecutive even number is 2. Okay, so you take any two consecutive even number, you will have HCF as 2. Okay, now C part, two consecutive odd numbers. Now we have found the HCF of two consecutive numbers, HCF of two consecutive even numbers. Now we have to find two consecutive odd numbers. So let's take two consecutive odd numbers. We have 13 and 15. Okay, these are two consecutive odd numbers. Okay, because one number is after other odd number. Okay, so factors for 13. So 13 can be divided only by 13. So 13 ones are 13. Okay, now factors of 15. So first with 3, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. So 13 के फैक्टर्स हमारे पास आए हैं 1 इंटू 13 एंड 15 के फैक्टर्स आए हैं 1 इंटू 3 इंटू 5. So HCF we have here is 1. Okay, 1. That means HCF of two consecutive odd numbers is 1. Okay. Now let's come to the question number 3. HCF of co-prime numbers 4 and 15 was found as follows by factorization. Okay. So 4 के factors जो हुए हैं वो 2 into 2 and 15 के factors हैं 3 into 5. Since there is no common prime factor, so HCF of 4 and 15 is 0. Is the answer correct? If not, what is the correct HCF? So क्वेश्चन में पहले हमें एक एग्जाम्पल दिया है 4 और 15 का. 4 के फैक्टर्स दिए हैं 2 इंटू 2 एंड 15 के फैक्टर्स दिए हैं 3 इंटू 5. ओके, अब कहा गया है बिकॉज इनमें कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है तो HCF 0 होगा. इज दैट ट्रू? अभी तक हम जो भी क्वेश्चन कर रहे थे उसमें जब हमारे पास कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं आता है तो हम क्या करते हैं, 1 एज अ कॉमन फैक्टर लेते हैं. Okay, because 1 is common factor for every number, right? So this answer is not correct. Okay, because 1 is a factor for every number. Okay, therefore the HCF of 4 and 15 will be 1. Okay, so this is our answer. So student, it was your exercise 3.6. you have to solve these question on your notebook as well as the remaining question of this exercise you have to practice and note them in your notebook. I'll see you with next exercise. Till then, keep practicing and keep learning. Take care.